In an era where energy transition is not just a possibility, but a reality, understanding the shifts in markets and technology becomes crucial. The global energy landscape is undergoing a transformation driven by the need for sustainable and efficient energy solutions. This change presents both challenges and opportunities. Introducing ARC's Energy Transition and Sustainability Market Opportunity Service, offering expert insights, use case analysis, and data, as well as unbiased information essential for navigating the complexities of industrial markets. Our service combines ARC's expert use case analysis with our comprehensive, robust database, forming the cornerstone of our offering. This unique resource creates a powerful tool that provides fast, accurate ways for you to identify the opportunities that exist in the market, as well as the context for how to pursue it. We provide in-depth insights and data so you can view opportunities by any combination of industry, market trend, use case, technology, and geography. Our database is continuously updated, ensuring you have the access to the most current and relevant information. We understand that industries and regions have their own unique market dynamics, and those are also reflected in our data. Our service offers detailed insights at the individual technology and use case level, which you can also refine by region and industry, giving you a clearer view of addressable markets tailored to your own specific needs. This unique granular approach is invaluable for businesses looking to expand into new markets or strengthen their position in existing ones. Whether it's to inform technology and investment decisions, or as a means to understand and pursue immediate revenue opportunities, this knowledge is truly the key to competitive excellence. You can easily and quickly calculate and visualize market demand by use case, technology, and location, all of which are anchored in ARC's globally respected market analysis and data. This feature is particularly useful for strategic planning and various business functions, including sales, product development, and marketing. By providing a clearer picture of market demands and trends, we empower your decision-making process, helping you to identify and capitalize on new opportunities. And as market trends, use cases, and regulations change, we reflect them in our solution, so you will always be informed on how and where to pursue market opportunities. Gain the flexibility to explore opportunities across a wide range of industries, trends, geographies, and technologies. Our service is designed to adapt to your specific needs, allowing you to isolate, aggregate, and compare options both quantitatively and qualitatively. This adaptability is crucial in a rapidly changing market, where staying ahead means being able to quickly pivot and respond to new developments. Our service is not just about providing data. It's about enabling your organization to easily understand and compare it in context. With rich visualization, reporting, and data integration capabilities, our service supports diverse needs within your organization, accelerating your capacity to innovate and to grow. Whether you are a small business or a large corporation, our service equips you with the tools to make informed decisions that drive success. Don't let this wave of industrial market disruption pass you by. Embrace the opportunity to explore innovation confidently with ARC Advisory Group. Align your technological expertise with market opportunities, break the endless cycles of failed pilots, and fast-track your organizational growth. Subscribe to ARC's Energy Transition Data Service now and be the change you want to see in the industry. Lead the way in sustainable energy solutions and market intelligence. Thank you for listening. Please contact us at www.arcweb.com to schedule your own live demonstration and to learn more.